Attention! This is a hurricane warning for the entirety of the Turks and Caicos Islands, issued on August 24, 2011. The Hurricane Irene is approaching the area of all islands, and it is currently a Category 1 storm. Winds can reach a maximum sustained speed of over 90 miles per hour. Extremely heavy rainfall, dangerous flooding, and others are expected during the landfall. Residents living in any island must stay indoors and secure all belongings. Move to a safe and sturdy shelter that can resist winds. Please do everything possible for you to maintain safety. Travel is strictly prohibited unless necessary. Stay tuned for more official announcements from authorities and news channels. This has been a special hurricane warning for the Turks and Caicos Islands. Stay safe.